Hi everyone. Welcome to this tutorial on how to use key features of Canva. My name is Luke, and today I'm going to guide you through the basics of using Canva to create stunning designs. Whether you're a beginner or just looking to refine your skills, this video will help you get the most out of Canva. So let's get started. First, let's start by creating an account and navigating the Canva dashboard. If you don't already have an account, head over to canva.com and sign up using your email, Google, or Facebook account. Once you're signed in, you'll see the Canva dashboard. Here on the dashboard, you'll find several sections: Home, Projects, Templates, Brand Kit, and Apps. Home is where you can access your recent designs and suggested templates. Projects help you organize your work into folders. Templates is a treasure trove of pre-designed templates for all sorts of needs, from social media posts to presentations. Brand Kit, available for pro users, is where you store your brand assets like logos, colors, and fonts. Finally, Apps part contain the set of useful add-ons to your Canva toolkit. Let's dive into creating a new design. Click on the Create a Design button in the top left corner. You'll see a drop-down menu with different design types. For this tutorial, let's create an infographic to promote a range of ceramic cups produced by an artisan. Canva offers a wide range of templates for infographics. Choose one that you like, and let's start customizing it. Now, we're in the Canva editor. This is where the magic happens. On the left side, you have your design elements, design templates, elements, text editor, uploads, and more. Let's explore these one by one. First, templates. If you ever want to switch to a different template, you can do it from here. But for now, we'll stick with the one we chose. Next, elements. Here, you can find shapes, lines, illustrations, icons, and more to enhance your design. Let's add a shape to our design. Simply drag and drop the shape onto your canvas. You can resize it by clicking and dragging the corners, and change its color using the color picker at the top. The Upload section is where you can upload your own images and videos. Click on Upload Files to add a photo from your computer. Then you can drag it onto your canvas. Great. Now let's move to photos. Canva provides a huge library of stock photos. You can search for a specific type of image, like nature or office, and add it to your design. You can do the same with the uploaded files. Now, let's add some text to our design. Click on the Text tab, then choose Add a Heading. You can type your text, choose a font, adjust the size, and change the color. Let's type handcrafted ceramic cups. Perfect. To make your text stand out, you can use Canva's text effects. Click on Effects at the top, and choose from options like Shadow, Lift, and Neon. Let's add a shadow effect to our text. Now that our design is coming together, let's look at how to arrange elements. Click on an element to select it, then use the Position tool at the top to align it. You can also use the Layers tool to bring elements forward or send them back. One of Canva's powerful features is its ability to work with layers. You can move elements in front of or behind each other to create depth. For example, let's move our text in front of the shape. Don't forget to use Canva's alignment guides. These pink lines help you align elements perfectly. See how our text snaps to the center of the canvas? Now, let's say you want to change the background. Click on the background, and then select a new color from the color picker. You can also use a photo as a background by dragging it onto the canvas and selecting Set as Background or Replace Background. Next, let's add more details about the ceramic cups. We'll include sections for each type of cup, highlighting its features and benefits. Click on Text again and add a subheading for each cup type. For each section, upload photos of the ceramic cups and place them next to their descriptions. This will visually showcase the variety of designs and styles available. To make our infographic more engaging, we can add icons and illustrations. Go to the Elements panel and search for relevant icons, like cup or handcrafted. Add these to your design to complement the text and images. Finally, let's add contact information and a call to action at the bottom of the infographic. This can be your artisan's website, email, or social media handles. Use the text tool to add this information and make sure it stands out. Now that our infographic is complete, let's look at how to download and share your design. Click on the Share button in the top right corner and then choose Download. You can choose the file type you need: PNG, JPG, PDF. Once you've selected your preferred format, click Download. You can also share your design directly from Canva. Click Share. Then you can share a link, invite others to collaborate, or even post directly to social media. And there you have it. A quick overview of Canva's key features and how to create an engaging infographic to promote your range of handcrafted ceramic cups. With these tools, you can create stunning designs for your social media, marketing materials, and more. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to experiment with different elements and templates to find your unique style. Thanks for watching, and happy designing! For more information or personalized support, feel free to contact us through our website or social media.